Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install USAA mobile app to file auto claims, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store on your device. If you're using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. For Android users, look for the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type USAA mobile app, press enter or tap the search button. Locate the USAA app in the search results. Verify that it's the official app by checking the publisher name. Tap on the app to view its details. Next, look for the Install or Get button. Tap on this button to initiate the download. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, locate the USAA app icon on your home screen. Tap on the icon to open the app. You will be prompted to log in or create a new account. If you already have a USAA account, enter your login credentials. If you are new, follow the prompts to create an account. After logging in, navigate to the Auto Claims section. Select the option to file a new claim. Fill out the required details about your auto incident. Attach any necessary documents or photos if prompted. Review your information for accuracy before submitting. Once confirmed, submit your claim. You will receive a confirmation message regarding your claim submission. If you have any questions, use the app's help feature for assistance. That concludes the process for installing the USAA mobile app to file auto claims. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.